Lesson 2. Non-defining relative clauses. Listen to 4 conversations using non-defining relative clauses. Conversation 1. Listen to a woman talking about her new apartment. What brings in lots of tourists?
How is your new apartment?
Good, but it's very noisy, so I can't get a good night's sleep, which is exhausting.
That's terrible. That would stress me out. Where is it exactly?
It is near the station, which gets pretty noisy at night.
What about on the weekends?
It's not much quieter then. There's a night market, which brings in lots of tourists.
I know how you feel. My old workplace, which was near an airport, was always noisy.
Yeah, there is not much I can do about it now. I just have to deal with it.
Well, hopefully things will turn out for the better in the long run.
Thanks. I hope so.
Question 2.1. What brings in lots of tourists? The answer is the night market. Conversation 2. A woman talks about her new gadget. What tracks her biometrics?
What are you looking at?
This is my new smartwatch, which I am totally addicted to.
It looks high-tech. What does it do?
It tracks my biometrics, which are immediately analyzed and then displayed on the screen.
Oh, really? That sounds cool. How are you doing?
Not bad. It turns out I am pretty healthy, but it is still hard to interpret all the data.
Those watches are so trendy these days. I want a gadget like that.
You should get one. They're lots of fun.
Question 2.2. What tracks her biometrics? The answer is her smartwatch. Conversation 3. A woman talks about her job. What does the woman hate?
So, how are things in your department?
Not good. I have a new role, which I hate.
Oh? What is your new role?
I am now in charge of assembly line efficiency, which means I must make sure everything is working as efficiently as possible.
That sounds like a role for management.
It was, but our superior quit unexpectedly, so they gave the job to me.
That sounds like a lot of pressure.
It is. I am totally stressed right now.
Question 2.3. What does the woman hate? The answer is her new role. Conversation 4. A man and woman talk about production at the factory. What has done really well recently?
So, how are things going down at the factory?
Well, the new machines, which I told you about last week, are working really well.
What about the time frame? Can we meet our production deadline?
Well, the new staff, which we just hired last week, should be able to increase production.
Well, our recent commercial, which has done really well, could mean a strong demand for the product.
So basically, we need to increase production and fast.
Yes, you do, which means you will be working a lot of overtime. But I need you to come through on this.
Well, we have a track record, which you know is pretty good, so I'm confident we can do this.
That's good to hear. I know I can count on you.
Question 2.4. What has done really well recently? The answer is the commercial.
Thank you for watching. Grab your free worksheet and book by clicking the link below. Visit elo.org to access thousands of free English lessons, anytime, anywhere. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more helpful videos. See you in the next one.